Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of best modern bathroom theme designs and how to design a contemporary sanctuary for your home ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into the fascinating realm of modern bathroom design. A modern-style bathroom encapsulates a harmonious blend of sleek aesthetics, clean lines, and minimalist elegance. It embraces simplicity while showcasing cutting-edge design elements that exude sophistication. By incorporating innovative materials, ample natural light, and strategic use of space, a modern bathroom creates a serene ambience that resonates with timeless appeal. How to design a modern bathroom? Designing a modern bathroom requires careful consideration of various elements to achieve a harmonious balance between form and functionality. Here are some key steps to guide you in the process. 1. Embrace minimalism. Start by decluttering your space and opting for sleek, minimalist fixtures and furniture. Keep only essential items visible, ensuring a clean and uncluttered environment. 2. Neutral color palette. Choose a neutral color palette as the foundation for your modern bathroom. Shades of white, beige, gray, or taupe create a serene backdrop that can be complemented with bold accents or textures. 3. Innovative lighting. Incorporate modern lighting fixtures that not only provide functional illumination but also serve as eye-catching design elements. Consider recessed lights, pendant lamps, or backlit mirrors for a contemporary touch. 4. Streamlined fixtures. Select fixtures with clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. Wall-mounted faucets, floating vanities, and frameless glass shower enclosures contribute to the sleekness of a modern bathroom. 5. Focus on materials. Use materials such as glass, stainless steel, chrome, and natural stone to add texture and visual interest. Incorporate high-quality finishes that enhance the modern feel of the space. What are the features of a modern bathroom? A modern bathroom showcases specific features that distinguish it from other design styles. Consider incorporating the following elements to achieve a truly contemporary aesthetic. 1. Clean lines. The hallmark of a modern bathroom is the emphasis on clean, straight lines, both in the architecture and the furnishings. From the vanity to the shower enclosure, choose sleek designs that exude simplicity. 2. Open and airy layout. Create an open and spacious feel by optimizing the layout and maximizing natural light. Remove unnecessary partitions and introduce large windows or skylights to invite the outdoors in. 3. Minimalistic accessories. Keep accessories to a minimum, focusing on functionality and purpose. Introduce well-chosen accents, such as a statement mirror or a piece of modern artwork, to elevate the overall design. 4. High-tech fixtures. Incorporate innovative technologies, such as touchless faucets, smart mirrors, or thermostatic shower systems, to infuse your bathroom with convenience and modern flair. 5. Sustainable solutions. Embrace eco-friendly practices by integrating water-saving fixtures, LED lighting, and sustainable materials. It not only enhances the modern aesthetic but also contributes to a greener future. How can I make my bathroom stylish? To make your bathroom truly stylish and unique, consider the following tips. 1. Bold wallpaper. Add a touch of drama with a statement wallpaper featuring geometric patterns or abstract designs. Choose a color scheme that complements the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. 2. Nature-inspired elements. Bring the beauty of the outdoors inside by incorporating natural elements like indoor plants, pebble flooring, or a wooden accent wall. This infusion of nature creates a serene and harmonious atmosphere. 3. Play with texture. Experiment with textures to add depth and interest to your bathroom. Consider textured tiles, mosaic patterns, or a textured accent wall to create a visual focal point. 4. Freestanding bathtub. Install a freestanding bathtub as a luxurious centerpiece in your modern bathroom. Opt for sleek, sculptural designs that exude elegance and relaxation. 5. Statement lighting. Choose eye-catching lighting fixtures that become a statement piece in your bathroom. Pendant lights, chandeliers, or unique wall sconces can add a touch of glamour and sophistication. By understanding the essence of modern bathroom themes and incorporating the right design elements, you can transform your bathroom into a captivating sanctuary that harmonizes style and functionality. Explore these theme ideas and let your imagination run wild as you embark on your own modern bathroom design journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for more inspiring home decor and design tips. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern bathroom theme design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.